Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso salam, welcome to the channel y'all, Chashni Akshimash, good day y'all, ni hao. So in today's video we're going to be doing something with retro brighting. Now I've done videos in the past with retro brighting using different types of methods and seal, like those airtight bags and things like that, and cling film, But I wanted to try something completely different in this video, kind of like experiment. Now, I was talking with Sam from Beko 1987 for ages now regarding retro brighting, and he did a video on a big plastic tub lined with aluminium foil, and then the LED infrared sort of like strip lights in there and other types of lights as well. So I wanted to try another method, one that I'd seen from the 8-bit guy and from some other people, mixed in with that, try it. And what I've got here, I've got 4 large containers of hydrogen peroxide, 12% food grade. So I got 4 big bottles of that. I've also got 2 50-watt infrared LED, UV LED floodlights that I kind of used in parties and stuff. So it's taken me a while to save up because these were like 50 quid each and there's 2 of them. The peroxide and stuff wasn't expensive, but I thought, well, let's give it a go on something small first of all, and then we'll see how we can progress and use it possible with other bigger plastic items for vacuums and stuff. So let's get you guys closer and let's see what we're going to do. So before we go any further, I just do want to say that this is not a how-to video. This is just me experimenting with a different method of doing retro brighting. This isn't something that I would recommend you do at home, blah, 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 safety, I'm doing it because you don't have to. So what I have here are some Lego space figures, and the plastic has really yellowed on them. So if I take them apart, do the arms come off? No, I don't think so. So I'm going to take these to pieces like so. Yes, the hands come out. And no, that's it for the legs. So we've got the legs, the torsos, the hands, the head, the helmet, and one little base piece as well. And what I'm going to try and do is see if I can do a retro bright using the food grade hydrogen peroxide and also some UV lamp that I have here. So the first thing I'm going to do is to prepare the small plastic container. I've got some kitchen foil, and it's going to be shiny side up, and I'm just going to wrap the foil on the outside of the container. This is a bit old school, Blue Peter, I know. Okay, so that should give maximum reflection. Next thing I'm going to do is put the pieces of the Lego in, like so. Now I'm going to carefully open one of the containers of the hydrogen peroxide, 12% food grade, and pour some in. That's enough. Well, I'm going to get a stick and we can stir these around. So what I want to do is try and get these to sink, if I get all the air out of them. Because I want to get them submerged into the liquid. Come on, Mr. Lego head. There we go. Okay. All the pieces are in there. I've taken a photograph of them before. So the next thing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this UV lamp directly over it like this to seal it. Let me get my little extension lead. Okay, so I've got the pieces of Lego inside this container. I've got the UV lamp here. Never ever look at a UV lamp directly. And I'm going to place this directly over and switch it on. Okay, so as you can see there, the UV light has come on. So I'm going to leave the UV lamp on top of that, and I'm going to set a timer. Set a timer for 1 hour.
1 hour, starting now.
I'm going to come back to you in 1 hour and we will check to see how it's doing. So it's been an hour that is on. Let's turn it off. Oh wow, blimey heck. That's warm. Oh look, it's all fizzing, it's all bubbly. Wow. That has really come up amazing. Let me get my tongs. Let's take out a body, rinse it in water. Give it a dry. Okay, I can still see some discoloration in parts on the front. Maybe it was facing face down. Put it back in the peroxide. See if I can get it to... There we go, float on its back. That's come up nice and bright. Much better. That's only been 1 hour. Flipping heck, I didn't expect it to work so quick, to be honest. Right, okay, let me leave it for another hour. And let's see how it does in an hour's time. So we're going to leave that now for another hour. Okay, so it's been another 2 hours. Wow! Look at that! Let me turn this off, hang on. Wow, that is amazing. Oh look, it's all fizzing. Oh, it's all fizzy. But the pieces have come out absolutely perfectly. I'm going to put these into the water.
To rinse out.
And so there we go. That is the two yellowed Lego men back to new. Back to white. That is fantastic. All the fading is completely gone. And the best thing about it is you don't waste this. You don't throw this away. I just pour it. Oops, wrong one. Pour the peroxide liquid back into the bottle. No need to waste it, so I can use it again and again and again and again. I'm just going to pour that back in. Recycle that. And there we go, done and dusted. So I am absolutely chuffed to be able to use these UV lights and practice now on something a bit bigger. Definitely going to be fantastic, because now I will be able to do retro brighting on plastics all year round. I won't have to just wait for summer. And just rinse my fingers. There we go. Do not get this stuff on your skin. I will wear gloves in the next one, I just noticed there. But there we go, done and dusted. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Great big thank you to Sam. Go and check out his channel. Go and subscribe now, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.